Alright, so it's dark. I know, I'm in the back of the Jeep. We're gonna do the high lift jack installation from Dominion Off-Road. So I'm gonna make this probably its own video. So, hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Some of you are new, some of you are old. I appreciate all of you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm sitting here doing what I normally do, man. So, really, this seems pretty straightforward and simple. Basically what I did is there's two trim pieces. There's one there, one on the other side. Pop those off with my handy dandy trim removal tool. This thing is awesome. So now this piece is going to get mounted over here on this side, and then the other piece goes on the other side. What I'm doing is I'll trim the I'm going to trim the plastic covers. Oh, sorry, my legs are killing me. Today was leg day. I'm going to trim the plastic covers to kind of make everything look OEM, fit and finish wise, and professional, you know what I mean? I like to keep things nice and clean and neat most of the time. So I'm going to go ahead, start getting this knocked out. This looks relatively simple. All that's going to happen, look at this. This piece goes up here. Use the supplied hardware, which is a 3/8 inch nut, half-inch nut, 4 6mm flange bolts, and a 1-inch by half-inch carriage bolt. Fairly straightforward, hopefully. So I'm gonna see what kind of camera angle I can get for you guys, and then we'll get knocking this out. Alright, so got those loosely in. You're going to need a 19mm socket, 13mm socket, 3/4 inch ratchet for me in this instance. You can use a box end wrench or pretty much ratchet, whatever. So we're going to tighten these two up real quick on each side. Real simple, there's already holes in here for the 6mm bolts. Thread it in by hand real quick. I'm going to snug them up, tighten them, and then we'll get the high mount jack, or high mount lift jack right here. So this is meant for a 48-inch high lift jack, which is what this one is. Yeah, I guess we'll see if we can get it to fit. I don't know, I haven't messed with these much, so I guess we'll run it full send and see where it mounts up and how it looks and all that kind of jazz. so quick update. I guess long story short, we have an issue. Oops. My base plate, this is just a farm jack from a Tractor Supply. My base plate does not fit on these, so if any of you guys have something similar, this is going to be your solution. So it was 35 bucks, I think. Summit Racing has the replacement high lift mounts that have different holes drilled in the base plate of the high lift jack. Did some quick research. I went ahead and ordered that, so whenever that comes in, it'll get thrown into another video as a little quick update. But install on these brackets was really, really simple. Now it's just a matter of I gotta get that piece in so that way I can get it. And then I gotta trim up the plastic, which is easy. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I appreciate y'all hanging out and chilling with me and watching me do my shenanigans. See, there I go again with saying, God, I gotta get better at collecting my thoughts. Anyway, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, evening, morning, night, noon, whatever, man. I hope you guys have a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, whatever. Links to my Instagram, TikTok, that stuff will be in the description. I'll leave links for any of the tools used. If they're like specialty tools, normal hand tools and stuff, I won't bother. But like whatever. I hope you guys have a good one. I'm out, man. Peace.